The UK's leading event for aspiring and current healthcare professionals returns, this year as an immersive, interactive virtual conference. We are pleased to be supported by Health Education England, NHS England, the General Medical Council and other key organisations. You can register for free for the virtual Health Careers Conference at healthcareers.live.
This is set to be the biggest widening participation event for healthcare globally,
with a diverse programme. Expect keynote talks and panels in our live studio, virtual workshop hubs, an interactive virtual clinical skills zone, and a virtual waiting room where you can ask a current healthcare student, professional or leader any question you like. There's also a digital health and innovation zone, a peek into the future.
This event is also for current students and professionals. There's lots of ways to develop your portfolio.
If you would like to speak or exhibit at the conference or join our amazing team, please do get in touch with us by emailing conference@healthcareers.live. We hope you'll join us in inspiring tomorrow's healthcare heroes on Saturday the 25th of July 2020.